Hi, I'm Jerry and was just sent this super cool portable storage container and hand cart. This is actually a really neat idea because if you're going to be going shopping or doing moving, traveling or anything like that, this actually is a nice solid box that opens up and actually holds this hand cart directly in here. Now you can use these separate or together. That's really ingenious because you can use this part to haul groceries, move boxes, things like that. And you also have this hand cart, which is built of some really high quality materials. This thing is stout, has 6 wheels, locking casters on the back, expands out for larger items. I mean, this thing will hold 500 pounds. I'm about 200 pounds, and I mean, it is not giving any flex at all. So I mean, it is definitely gonna hold it. And this part is adjustable. But the beauty of this product is they work together. So you can actually take this part here, put it directly on here, and it's got built-in straps right here. Lock this into place. And now you have a full moving adjustable cart that will work 360 degrees, move it around, pick up groceries, do anything you want to do. And then whenever you're done, simply disconnect this. This part comes separate, carry it inside. When you're done, this can pull out and collapse completely flat if you need it for real compact storage, or you can easily take this part here, store it inside this box, and it will easily take it and carry it with you like that. And you can put it in the trunk of a vehicle. It doesn't take up that much space, and you're ready to go for your next adventure.